Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a love bite for you. Let's see what's going on in your love connection. What is the message that wants to show through for you today, Gemini? And of course, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Gems, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the support you send to the channel. And my Gemini newbies, if you're new here, we welcome you too. To join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you too. So if any of you are looking for a private reading, Gems, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So Gems, center of my spread, I have somebody who's very, very stressed out, not being able to sleep at night, having nightmares, overthinking, maybe regarding the possibility of a stable new beginning. This seemed like a soulmate connection, good friendship, everything was good, felt like you're spiritually connected, known each other for a long time, maybe many lifetimes, but there was some kind of imbalance here. Somebody played a trickster, the other person pulled back their love, and now the person who played the tricks is now totally stressed out because they're feeling this ending. So I'll clarify these cards later, Gemini. First, let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. So Gemini and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. Gemini and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Gemini and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few more from here, Gemini. Gemini and their person. This could also be Gemini. One second. One more. Somebody's now made a decision as to where and how they want to find victory, but unable to know how to make it work now. One second. I'm just babbling. Don't listen to me right now. I'm just thinking loud in my mind. All right. So let's take a couple more from here, which are messages from the heart. Gemini and their person spirit. All right. So Gems, let's begin your reading. The first card I have here for you says, I always felt your loving energy so strongly as a comforting presence. It hurts me when I can't feel your energy. Are you pulling away from me? Isn't that just what I said, Gemini? Somebody felt this very strong connection, but because they played maybe a trickster here or didn't bring balance to this connection, they do feel this Queen of Cups pulling her energy away now, and that's really, really stressing someone out. That, hey, you were meant to be here forever, always meant to be loving and kind and comforting to me. What happened? Are you pulling your energy away? The love I have for you is a deep reflection of the love I have for myself. I found all the fragmented, broken pieces of myself when I met you. You mirrored my wounds so I can look at them deep inside of myself and heal from within. This connection can feel out of balance. When I try to reassure or overgive to you, I realize that I have to give to myself, and that then you will master self-love. Yes, one partner has pulled back their love because they say, if I keep giving to you, how will you then recognize what you need to do to find self-love for yourself? We're getting older and wasting precious time playing these dumbass runner-chaser games. Let's just level the F up already. Are we doing this or what? Yeah, somebody was playing tricks here. somebody was playing tricks here. Now they're stressed out. They're saying, oh my God, this is ending, but I know who's my one, and we're just wasting time here. I know who I want to find victory with, but I think neither of you are really putting in the work right now, and that's frustrating. One person to say, we're just getting older now. How long are we going to continue playing these games? Can we just get on with it and start this brand new chapter of our life? Whether we are together or when we are apart, you're always in my thoughts and forever in my heart. My mind is in turmoil trying to figure out how I can fix the mess I have made. I told you that, right? Somebody's trying to figure out how do I fix this now of this imbalance which has happened. I'm suffering from sleepless nights and feeling very low and anxious, which was in the center of my spread. I love it when how beautifully these are combining all the time nowadays. All right, so though we cannot meet or see each other, still I love you more every day. My heart belongs to you for eternity. Somebody knows that this is their soulmate. They feel this connection, the spiritual, the spiritual pull that they feel towards their partner. They've always known it, except that they never brought this into, maybe they created some kind of an imbalance in the past. They tried to play the magician, tried to play some tricks, and now they don't know how to get out of this mess because their partner has removed their energy from their life. When I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and soul, because that's where you are. I'm afraid of losing you. It's the little things that you do that make you so special. I want to restore your faith in me, but they don't know how. They don't know what work to put in. They're wondering, where was that card? My mind is in turmoil trying to figure out how I can fix this mess now. What can I do to make it work, and how I can restore the faith that has, been gone now. How do I restore the faith? Your faith in me. Okay, so gems, if this is resonating with you, let's start your reading. I am going to start with an angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this with a guidance, advice, or a message for my precious gems. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Gemini, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Gemini for this reading. Thank you. Triumphant. Yes, you can be triumphant. All you have to do is be honest. Or maybe one person has gone off to find that, victory on their own now, because their partner always created so much trouble. So I don't know which side you're going to be on, Gemini, whether you are this Queen of Cups who's moved away now, or you are this person who's stressed out because the love of your life, who was the comforting, loving person in your life, has suddenly decided, I don't want to give to this connection anymore. So I'm going to start clarifying these cards now. Six of Cups, Spirit. Six of Cups and the Temperance card. Six of Cups and the Temperance card here. Six of Cups and the Temperance card. Some secrets came out. This was a beautiful connection. Very, very nice connection. Both of you had a great friendship, and both of you felt that, you were divinely connected and everything was good. But somebody here was not in their best element at that point. I think this is the masculine who was more into their money, finances, or feeling ungrounded, or not wanting to offer the stability to their partner at that time, and played the trickster here, brought this tower down. They never built a firm foundation with their partner, and it did crumble, and they know it's their fault, because all of a sudden maybe certain secrets were revealed of this connection, and that proved to this Queen of Cups that this is very imbalanced. This is not the way I wanted to feel in this connection. And because of that, now this relationship is crumbling. What did the Magician do, Spirit? What's this Magician in reverse? Magician in reverse. Maybe there was another person here, Gemini. The Queen of Wands showed up. Now the Queen of Wands could be somebody else, and that's the reason this Queen of Cups turned away. And that was the imbalance. Somebody was playing a bit of a trickster and maybe trying to... What, the juggling, Spirit? Was this Magician juggling two people? Was this Magician juggling? Yes, they were approaching this relationship from a very unemotional point of view. Not offering any new beginning. They wanted to be there, maybe with two people. I'm still feeling this very strong feeling that there were two people here. There was a younger Queen of Wands and a Queen of Cups here. And this person, I think, was very cold-hearted in their approach towards this Queen of Cups and didn't offer any new commitment or any commitment at all. Now they want it, but maybe it's too late. So what was this, Spirit? Can I have a little more clarification? Who's this Queen of Wands? What's the story? Yeah, somebody was wanting to be the victor. I do see three people. There are two people with their head bent and walking away, and one person says, hey, I got you, right? I am the winner, I am the victor, and I will win at all costs, and I don't care how you feel or you feel, as long as I'm good. I'm this way. I don't have to offer have to offer stability to either of you if I'm kind of being the one who's always winning. Yeah, somebody played some kind of mind game or a trick or something, because maybe they didn't want to offer stability to anyone. And they could have played this nasty game of seeming, I'm not into my emotions, I don't want long term, and yes, so and so is my friend and you're my friend, and kind of trying to appear as if they didn't need any one person in their life. So Queen of Cups. Yes, this Queen of Cups was smarter. Said, hey, I'm not going to sit around here waiting and crying and always waiting for them to text me or call me. And if there is no love here, I want this Two of Cups. And if there is no Two of Cups being offered to me, I'm going to go into self-love here. I'm going to love myself first, and I'm not going to be the one who's stressing out and sitting by myself, having sleepless nights about somebody who doesn't value this beautiful Two of Cups connection. And turned away and said, adios, I'm gone. So, Nine of Swords, Spirit, now? Nine of Swords. Who's in this Nine of Swords energy, which is center of my... Oh. Now, this trickster is thinking, oh my God. What did I invest in and what didn't I invest in? Nothing grew here. They're unhappy that all that mind games that they played amounted to nothing. They are now dreaming of this Ten of Pentacles, but they are realizing now, I never put in the investment. If I didn't put in the investment, how are these Seven Pentacles? Seven Pentacles. How I need three more for this Ten of Pentacles, but I haven't put in my share of the Pentacles in this connection. How am I going to ever reach this Ten of Pentacles, which I now I realize I want? I'm stressed out about it, because what do I do now to achieve this happily ever after? Somebody is very unhappy with the amount of investment they never put. The World. What's this World card, Spirit? What's this World card? What's this World card now for Gemini? Yes, now they feel, oh my God, this chapter is shut down. My partner is now facing away from me, no longer giving me any love and affection. It almost feels like they've released me. They're no longer holding on to me. They're releasing me, and now none of my wishes are ever going to come true, and that's stressing the F out of them, big time. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, World card is clarified by the World card. Now they want to have this brand new beginning after feeling that their partner has shut the door on them. They are feeling this release, they're not feeling their energy anymore. Now they are stressed out because now they feel that they've lost their chance, they've taken a wrong turn, they have done something, and now none of their wishes are going to come true. But they do want this fresh new beginning, it seems. They want to start again. Now they know, they've realized that if they were stuck between two things, or always being at crossroads, never making a decision, they've come to that place where they say, hey, now I know which is the one I want. So, Two of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Two of Wands. Yes, they could have had two choices maybe in the past. Now they want to come and apologize. I'm sorry. I know I couldn't decide between the two of you, the Queen of Wands and the Queen of Cups. I couldn't decide between the two of you, but now I've made my decision. I know who I want, and I'm sorry. Can I offer you my little cup of love, even though it has a little fish in it? Can I say sorry? Can we start again? I do want to have victory with you now. Six of Wands, Spirit. Six of Wands. Six of Wands. Six of Wands. Six of Wands. Yes, they are realizing they've made a very foolish decision in the past. They never chose on time, but now I think they're trying to come out of this hermit mode that they put themselves in after thinking, what have I done? Who should I choose? They have made their choice. They do know who makes them feel victorious, who they want to have this brand new chapter with. So now why are they in the Two of Swords energy, Spirit? Why are they in the Two of Swords energy? Now they don't know how to come forward. Now the second dilemma is, what do I do? What direction do I go? How do I now approach this Queen of Cups, I think, with a love offer? What can I say? I haven't put in any work to be able to go towards them and say anything. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so this person is feeling very, very overwhelmed because now they know that they've broken. Somebody is very, very emotional, very overwhelmed. They know that they have managed to break hearts here. Maybe more than one, right? There are three swords in one heart. So they are hurt, they've broken one person's heart, they've broken the second person's heart. Now this is becoming like bearing the brunt of their own deeds now. It's almost like that. They know they haven't put in the work. They were just being a romantic hero, never making a decision in the past. So what's this Ace of Pentacles? What's this Ace of Pentacles now? It's put them back into the Two of Wands now. They don't know. They are now at crossroads once again. Even though now they've made the decision, now they don't know because they're not sure if they will be accepted back. So there's just delay here. There's this delay here. This person is very indecisive. Very, very indecisive. First they couldn't decide between two people. Now they can't decide as to, after they've made their decision, how do I come to this Queen of Cups now? How do I was asking, who do they want this Ace of Pentacles with? And the Queen of Cups came out again. They want to offer this Queen of Cups this brand new stable beginning, but now the dilemma is once again there. I want to approach them. I'm overburdened because I have now broken their heart in the past. I have put in no work. So what sweet nothing can I say to them to make them kind of trust me again? So nothing is really happening right now. At least this week, there's just delay and lot of overthinking and a lot of stressing. So gems, this could be you stressing about your person, or this could be your person who broke your heart, now in not a very good place. They're going through their lesson, they're going through their dark night of the soul here. All right, so that's all I have for you, gems. Till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.